Hi guys, for this particular video, we'll be discussing about data gathering procedure as a part of your research methodology in your research proposal paper. So on top of data gathering procedure, this subsection describes every step the researcher and the participants took during the conduct of the study so that other researchers could replicate, take note, replicate, so meaning they could actually copy this one or reproduce the study by simply following the steps explained in this section. Research ethics, protocol undertaken should also be represented or presented in this particular section. So this is a structure of the data gathering procedure, the generic structure of your data gathering procedure. So the first step is always asking for permission. Permission from the school administration, authority involved, persons in charge, government offices, LGU or NGO, establishment authorities, etc. So every person that we were able to contact with in order for us to conduct a study, we need to put it here in our data gathering procedure. We must first ask permission from them. Number two, coordinate with authorities or school administration. So after asking permission and they were able to approve the permission or the letter that we were able to send them, so we need to coordinate with them for possible start of the data gathering. And the last would be indicate the process of administration of the interviews and observation and discussion, how the process will be done. So these are the three requirements when you are writing your data gathering procedure. Asking for permission, coordination to start our data gathering, and at the same time, the entire process of how we're able to administer the research survey or the research interview. So here is an example of a data gathering procedure from the title Preparedness Level of Pre-Baccalaureate Maritime Students Towards Tertiary Education. This one is actually detailed and it is step by step, but you can actually make it into a paragraph form to make it more scholarly and appropriate to our new format. So in order for the researchers to gather data from the respondents, this procedure is followed. First, the researchers ask for permission to the principal through a formal letter to allow the researchers to conduct a survey to the grade 12 pre-baccalaureate maritime students. So if your respondents will be maritime, then you will be asking permission from the VPAA, from the VP for Maritime Studies, and at the same time, the Dean of Maritime Studies. If your concern is about the CHBM students or the non-maritime students, then you need to include here the dean of the the dean of the non-maritime or the dean of the CHBM department, at the same time our VPAA. Second, after the researchers get an approval from the principal, the researchers ask for permission to all grade 12 pre-baccalaureate advisors to conduct a survey to their advisory section upon showing the approved letter from the principal. So once you already have the approved letter from the deans, from the VPAA or from the VP for Maritime Studies, then you may also present it to officially start your data gathering procedure. Third, the researchers give an orientation to the respondents about the survey before answering the questionnaire. Of course, in every data gathering, we need to introduce our topic and at the same time introduce the rules or the directions of our instrument so that they may answer it correctly. Fourth, the researchers gather the survey questionnaires, tally the answers, analyze the answers, and interpret the answers. But actually, in this particular fourth procedure, we need to endorse our tallied sheets, no tallied results to our statisticians. So that's it on how we really make our data gathering procedure. I hope you will apply this particular procedure to your own study in the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.